What's up everybody, G3 Fishing TV back with another video, and today we're going creek fishing and we have a special guest.
What?
Say your name.
John.
His name is John. He is our cousin. We have Gene.
What's up?
We have John. And then we have me. So we'll see you when we get back at the creek. See y'all. Guys, I didn't get it on camera, but this little guy, he goes... Okay then. He goes. Okay then. Hey, chill. He goes and he hits it, and I was like, oh no. And he goes and he gets it again. There he is. So let him go. Yeah, little white one. Where did the little guy go? That guy was pretty though. So you're gonna have to walk all the way back up there. I couldn't put it in this. You're gonna have to walk all the way up there to that rock. I didn't have, no, you said you weren't taking it, so I left it there. Trap magnets work amazing. Okay. Let's see if I can catch a fish on camera. Today I've caught 2 fish. It's on that rock where you caught your first fish. No, it's where you caught your first fish. John, what are you fishing with? I can't cast far with this daggum rooster tail, so gotta scoot up. That freaking fish hit pretty hard. There's a bed right there that, hey. Oh, you have 2 rods, never mind. I'll cast over there. There was a big fish that just went exactly that way. No, I'm fishing with this right now. Y'all might need to change y'all's colors of y'all's head. That's probably what it is. Because mine's white and y'all are using the minnow, so y'all should be getting hit. Are you scooting up? Oh, I got one on camera. Caught another one. Now this is the little guy. Well, it's not the same guy, but a little shiner again. Let me get his hook out on the rooster tail, as you can tell. Let's see if you. Oh, we got that on video. Let's go. But you got no fin to fin me with, so I'm not scared of you. On the rooster tail. Oh, and I can lip this one. Nope. Nope, can't. Well, there he goes. Come down. You gonna go? There he goes. So I guess what I'm thinking is there's a little bed down there, because we were scooting up and I seen it. I was like, oh, okay. Well, I was just reeling in, and he nailed it. You got one? Oh. Here, trade. Use his rod, use his. Or mine. Dang gum, James drags. Yeah. One.
Oh my god. No. No.
He hasn't. No. Oh, there's trees behind me. Gene, I don't know what you done to this, but what things? What? Of bring any what? Oh, here, John. It's the freaking hair. Hold up, let me cast this out. Hopefully I catch a fish. Okay. Come here. Let me see the rod. Oh, don't make it loose. Oh, wait, hold up. You fixed it. No, you didn't. Okay, let go. There you go.
You have that. Hang on, look at that. Okay, did you bring any more of these right here?
No.
There's only one.
I didn't even. I brought the rooster tails because I thought we had some in there.
It's really tiny, but
There's nothing wrong with the rod. Which rod?
that one.
There's nothing wrong with that one.
Not bad.
It's old, that's why. So we all changed rods. Me. And you have mine. Hey, oh, I caught a stick. Biggest fish of the day. Yeah, yeet. Well, Gene's.
You're good. Have your rod back.
Okay, let's throw that over there. Okay, I got the Ganga rooster tail back. So, hopefully I catch another fish over here. Don't know if they're over here. This water is very clear. I think we scared them, I'm not sure though. Yeah, I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna go cast by that tree. Hopefully there's some over there. So I've caught 2 species, shiner and that pretty cool whatever thing is, whatever. I was using a Helger mite, but I changed because, yeah, I wanted to change. Great. Oh, no, not great. Okay, let me go back in this shallow. I'm in the middle because that's like the canteen place. There's something there in the tree. Oh. They did hit at it. And they took off. It's like a hit or miss with these things. It's like, oh yeah, you catch one. Oh no, you don't. It's like, come on. See if we can get another one. Probably not. Nope. That's probably my problem. Second time dealing with this thing. Still catching fish though. Wonder why I didn't catch fish the first time. Or the second time I cast over here. Nothing's hitting at him anymore. Weird. I want to see some big bass though. Catch one today. Ooh, I need to catch one bigger than what I got today. Ooh. Okay, well, I'll see y'all whenever we catch the next fish. See y'all. Okay, guys, I got one. Oh, he's a bass. Now, come here, bud. Caught a bass. Let's go. There he goes. We gotta go. Can we walk down there and then fish back up?
Yeah, let's walk down a little bit more, John. Are you trying to grab it again? Did you get that fish on bait?
Yeah. I got him on video too.
How big was it?
Not that big.
Hey, here. Bring that rod. You can catch him on. Oh, you got rod.
Are we gonna start walking down there? They're all right here. If that's a fish. Gene, are these fish over here?
John, come down here a little bit where it's clear. Yeah, scoot down a little bit. Yeah.
Is that a fish right here?
Yeah. I'm gonna get John.
There, Gene, there's fish right there. Just right there, there's fish. There's just fish chilling here. Gene, yeah, right there. Right where your line is. So I've caught 3 species. Catch 4 fish today. They're all just sitting right there.
Wait, what did they say on the phone?
We gotta walk from him back. But we're gonna get
Come down here. Hopefully Daddy texts us.
Oh, they did stuff throughout the day and everything.
Yeah, well, that we worked and then we did it. Cool.
John, you didn't go. Here. Oh, I'm just gonna take it right here. Here.
Gene, there's just fish chilling.
Oh my gosh.
What?
Mine.
What happened to it?
It's gonna be meant for you right there.
Okay.
It's gonna be meant for you, walk back in.
Here, John, I'm gonna come over there next to you just in case I do catch a fish. I'm gonna let you reel it in. Okay, well, we'll get back to y'all whenever we catch a fish. Gene caught a fish over here. It's a little one, but it's fine.
Little rock bass, guys. Just a little, not big. Guys, a rock bass.
Well, that was a great day of fishing at the creek. I did some pond fishing, only caught one fish today, and then we went creek fishing. I caught shiners, a bluegill, and a smallmouth, and
I
Gene.
caught a Google Eye.
Yeah, and John, he didn't catch anything, but did you still have fun?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, I also didn't get this on video too, but we caught crawfish. We'll post them on Instagram. We caught crawfish. It's for a turtle that we have, so that was fun. And yeah, so if you haven't already, subscribe, like the video, and turn the post notification on. And thanks for watching.
Well, and go follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok at G3 Fishing TV. And you'll have a good rest of the day.
See y'all.